Updating your API keys on Marqeta is a straightforward process that ensures your integrations remain secure and functional. Follow these steps to successfully update your API keys. Step 1. Log into your Marqeta account. Access the Marqeta platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage API keys. Step 2. Navigate to the API keys section. Once logged in, locate the API keys section in the dashboard. This is typically found under the Settings or Developer menu, depending on your account layout. Step 3. Identify the key to update. In the API keys section, review the list of existing keys. Identify the key you wish to update, whether it's for security reasons or because you need to regenerate it. Step 4. Regenerate or update the key. Select the option to regenerate or update the chosen API key. Follow the prompts to create a new key, ensuring you save any changes made. Be cautious, as regenerating a key may affect any integrations using the old key. Step 5. Update your applications. After successfully updating the API key, go to your applications or services that use the Marqeta API. Replace the old key with the new one to ensure continued functionality. By following these steps, you can easily update your API keys on Marqeta, keeping your integrations secure and up to date.